CBN Governor Godwin Emefiele don't come outside bring his own fault for Governor Obaseki's comment concerning the federal government printing of 60 billion naira for the state to share. Yes, for when we know they are aware of this matter, they print 50 to 60 billion naira notes. And right now, the matter don't bring kasala. It don't bring confusion and division because wetin Obaseki can't tell us they different from wetin the governor of CBN don't they can't tell us now. And from wetin they see, Obaseki now tell us the truth because as usual, person will come outside can't lie. And during the inspection, during the inspection tour. For now we know about that where they talk say $500 million Dangote sugar processing facility when that matter come up. Now there this man come outside now when they tell us different things, and according to that say if you understand the concept of printing money, it's about lending money. He say to print money it means say you go lend money. I don't know where this one go school, I don't know, but I beg I don't bring a corner side so that we not go you not go join me listen to some kind of nonsense where I just listen to because me will watch the video.
Distributing on the street, it is very inappropriate for people to just give some coloration to the word printing of money as if it is some foreign word coming from the sky. Okay, Nigeria is unfortunately in a very bad situation. I'm not going to pretend about it in the sense that we are facing problem about productivity output, which is GDP. Luckily, we managed to just come out of it with a hair's breadth, and we are working very hard to see how we can not only have our head above water, but get our waist above water. That is what we are focused on right now. And of course, we are also confronted by issues of inflation and prices and the rest of them. And so for us to begin to see that some people playing some games, trying to come up with overheating this polity, talking about printing of money, I think is very unfortunate and totally inappropriate. And I would like to advise that this should stop. We should all work for the growth of our country and not playing politics. I'm not a politician, and I keep saying so. I'm a banker, and I should be left to do my work.
See as they use English, they confuse himself and us together. Simple question: you print money or you no print money? I don't understand. Did you print money, yes or no? My people for now to see people where they don't say they go school. I bet who else don't tire for this Nigerian matter? Who else? Because I don't know whether not only me. I don't tire. Hi. Chineke. To go school good though. No, I did very serious. It is good to go to school. So that some people no go use that one, match your head. I don't believe anything will come out from Nigerian politician mouth. The only thing we I believe, now the only thing where they capable of doing, and we already know. You know they pass lie. Still, this one. Since when they born me, my people, I never see what I benefit from these people. Buhari administration. I never see ordinary toothpick self. I never benefit. When we go say, okay, oh, this one. Don't come outside now. You dey beat around the bush. Why you dey beat around the bush? Simple economy mathematics. You cannot do. You have failed it. You are coming outside as a governor of CBN. Shame on you. A whole governor of CBN. You dey come with all the wealth where this man they chop. You see they behave like person way high. With all the money, you see. I not just understand, but hey, okay, money no they give people sense. I not just understand. Just imagine. They don't that money as me and you they talk now, they don't finish up. I tell you now before. We go just here, they've printed this, they've borrowed this. We know they see the money, they don't share that money as we they talk. Don't be joke. As we they talk now, you don't finish. For now to see. Clear example. Now the problem be this. This one said, that one did not say, Obaseki did, this one did not do, this one. As soon as they see me like this, I believe Obaseki. Yes, because they printed the money. If not, you know, go come outside, they tell us, say, this one, they printed the money. Prime Minister come outside, tell us one different case. Now, wow. See, these people, they don't use us play too much. They don't use us play too much. Tomorrow another person go come back up wetin this one just talk now. You know they had them English. CBN governor, even to articulate your own point, you know, sabi, you know, shame everywhere for this politicians wey we get. And they no even get shame again, because as you can see, nobody even care. Anybody feel say they fit come outside now come yarn nonsense, and we go listen. We go listen, we no get choice. You understand? Now the matter be this now. 50 to 60 billion printed, 50 to 60 billion not printed. Who will they believe? But me, I dey with Obaseki, because that money they print am, my people. Nothing where they want tell me. You understand? So anything where you guys talk concerning this one, whether you believe say they printer or they no printer, why not drop am for that comment section? Make the battle begin. Yes, and if you never share this video, I best start dey do am now, because people must know wetin dey happen right now, because our money just dey waste. Very important. And subscribe so that you know when they miss interesting matters like this one. Stay tuned for our next story.